we're producing the Switchblades hundreds a month out of our Simi Valley, California facility. You can actually come and you can walk the floor, you can see them putting it together. I would say you could reach out and touch it, but you're not allowed to do that. But you can come and look and see what we're doing. There's obviously more to it. It's also about being able to study risk across your supply chain and predict long lead items and make sure that you are positioned for the scale that you are planning on hitting. So there's a much deeper engineering level answer for what makes manufacturing readiness. For a lot of startups that have really exciting technologies, there's always going to be some risk around investing in that when they haven't scaled anything before. Because there's a big difference between the engineering that goes into creating this exciting widget and the engineering that goes into getting it to be manufactured where it's coming out at a repeatable quality and that you're meeting all of your shipping targets on time.